Hey everybody, what we got here are the electronics of the Lusitania. I'm going to do a brief overview. What we have here is my ballast. This is a tin I bought on eBay. It's about 8 inches by 6 inches by 2, and it's, you could probably hear it, it's filled with lead shot that I bought at a local gun store. So it's not glued down yet because I'm still kind of ballasting it, put more things in it, but it's almost there. So right now I'm just taking these slices of cardboard, just kind of building it up so it doesn't want to move. And then I just cut these pieces of foam, the knee foam you use for gardening, and I put that like that. So it pretty much sits in the Lusitania like this. You got the ballast, and you have two 6-volt 10 amp hour sealed lead acid batteries. I've got one that sits towards the bow and the other sits towards the stern. And that sits in the hull like that. Then I place a piece of sheet plastic over the metal so we don't have any short circuits. And since each port and starboard engine relay is its own system, I have 2 speed controls. So we'll go over one speed control. In the front here, this is the battery. Then I have an automotive fuse. This is, I think, 35 amp fuse I put in there. I use Anderson pole connectors, like that. And then that wires into a Viper Marine 40 amp speed control. So it goes battery, fuse, speed control, and then these go to my 2 props. This is marked port, so this will power both port propellers. On-off switch, and this goes to the receiver. And this one has all 3 of the wires connected. This one is the main system, and the starboard one, this is the slave speed control to the system. Same, but it's built the same way. Battery, amp, fuse to the speed control, and then on this one, the slave connector into the receiver, I pull out the middle red, way off, sorry. I pull out the middle red wire as the instructions from Mtronics states. So these sit in the hull like so, to one side, and then I have my receiver. I haven't siliconed anything yet, but this will be siliconed here. It's another eBay buy. It's a little plastic container. Drill a hole, put some plastic tube a little bit bigger. Then I have the radio antenna come out. I'll put some food safe silicone. You don't want to use regular silicone because it has a chemical in it that eats up the electronics, but the food safe silicone works great. Silicone that, and then I have my rudder, and then the 2 port and starboard speed controls. And that's how she goes. The system works pretty good. No problems yet. Just have to fine tune it and make it a little bit more elegant when it's in the hull. But hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks guys. Bye.